welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would film outside because it's so nice out here. It's just a lovely fall day and I just want to chill on my porch and film out here because it's so nice. So I hope that's okay with you guys. But today I have a Pinch Me box to share with you guys. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So pinchme.com is where this is from. You can find them on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and their website. Here's what the box looks like, or what my box looked like. Cover and try new products for free. I don't have a whole lot of information on this box. They emailed me and asked me to do a review. From what I can tell, they will send you a free box of free samples to try out from different things that you would find at places like Target and Sephora and Walgreens and places like that. So I was super excited to get this. Some of my products were like sample size and some of them were full size, I believe. But I do believe that if you order yours and they don't reach out to you to do a video or a review, I believe you only get sample sizes. I could be wrong. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Correct me in the comments. But from what I can tell, I think anyone who orders on their own, you just get free samples, and then if you're doing a review, you'll get samples and some full size. So UPS is here, of course. So sorry, UPS came up while I'm filming, and then baby boy woke up from his nap, so I have him right over here beside me. Hey darling. So let's try that again. Okay, so I'm going to read you a little bit from the email that I got from them. Just like an influencer box full of lifestyle products handpicked by our team to fit your brand. Oh my darling, what's the matter? So Mr. Luca was upset. He wants to be in the video too. He scratched his little eye. He wants to sit with Mama. So Luca's gonna do this video with me. If that's okay, this is a mommy channel, so if not, you'll just have to go to another channel. So sorry. But they just handpick items that you would find from CVS, Target, and Sephora, like I said. Pinch Me gives its members the unique opportunity to try products from leading brands for free. The best part is it's 100% free, even shipping. They work with brands like L'Oreal, Lancer, Skincare, Eva, NYC, Garnier, Moroccan Oil, Pantene, Olay, and many more. We have more than 5 million members across the U.S. and a social community of over 2.5 million followers across Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, so let's see what's in my box. So I'm holding baby, so I'm not going to be able to like hold the box up or anything, but I'll hold each product up so you can see. The first thing I'm pulling out is this V-Beauty Pure Facial Oil. It is cruelty-free and bio-cosmetics, like little thing right there. This does look like it's full size. It's 98% organic and it's 100% of natural origin. Paraben-free, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, not tested on animals, and non-comedogenic, that means it doesn't make like blackheads or cause blackheads. A royal fusion of purity and efficacy is the first skincare line that combines the highest quality certified organic cosmetic ingredients with clinically shown results that work. Our formula is a custom blend of skin calming pinoleum, also known as Swiss stone pine, which is the king of the Alps, hand harvested Swiss aronia berries, a superfood renowned as the queen of antioxidants, combined with the hydration powers of pure Swiss glacier water. The key benefit is feel the silky touch of the light and nourishing certified organic cosmetic oils. Our facial oil contains not only certified organic cosmetic ingredients, but clinically shown to increase hydration and improve skin elasticity and firmness, which will be great because it's almost winter time and my skin is already dry. I get dehydrated really fast because I'm breastfeeding and I don't drink enough water. So I definitely will need extra hydration in the winter for sure for my skin, especially my face. This thing I'm pulling out is Lumify. It says works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours by Bosch and Lomb. So these are actual eye drops from the eye care experts at Bosch and Lomb. Just 1 drop works within minutes and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce redness. So keep out of reach of children. Yes, so just some special eye drops. The thing I'm pulling out is by Eva NYC. This is their Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Yeah, I think this is just some kind of hair oil. It doesn't really say much. Oh, it's just like a detangler. I got this Compeed Advanced Blister Care, cushioning, comfort, and confidence, instant pain relief, faster healing, stays in place for lasting protection. 2 active gel cushions. These are great after wearing some heels that don't fit well. They sent me these little cookies. These are the Michel et Augustin 2 cookie cookies. Cookie squares baked in France. So they sent me 2 of each kind. This one is the dark chocolate, and this one is the milk chocolate and melted caramel. I already tried one of these and they're really good. And now I can eat the rest now that I did this video. Yay! Next is this Dr. Dennis Gross clinical grade resurfacing liquid peel. How to use: for AM or PM use up to 3 times a week. Apply step 1 to a cotton ball, making 2 3-second turns. Massage into clean, dry skin. Wait 2 minutes and repeat the process with the step 2. Do not rinse. Use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. 100% of subjects showed skin improvement in radiance. 95% of subjects showed improvement in skin texture, and 83% of subjects showed improvement in the appearance of pores. So, yeah, just a skincare product. It is a peel, so it kind of peels off the dead skin layer. This is a bath bar, moisturizing bath bar by Yardley London. And it does have activated charcoal with bentonite clay to help cleanse and purify skin. I love stuff like this. Charcoal absorbs toxins, and bentonite clay is full of amazing things for your skin. So I've been using these kind of products for years. You hold in your hands the results of generations of uncompromising quality, superior craftsmanship, and time-tested ingredients. He's sucking on my thumb, you guys. Since 1770, Yardley bath bars have stood as a symbol of English luxury, and today that tradition continues with soaps crafted with essential oils and moisturizing ingredients to smooth your skin and soothe your mind. Like this activated charcoal bath bar. Charcoal is known for its ability to help draw out impurities and combines with bentonite clay to help purify and cleanse skin. A hint of stimulating spearmint essential oil uplifts your daily routine. Next, I have this Love Bug probiotics. Here's the skinny 10-day challenge. 15 times more effective than the capsules. 10 billion live cultures, digestive health. So I have the big bottle of their Labor of Love probiotics. It's for after giving birth, like a probiotic for after you have a baby. And then I've been taking those and they work great, so I'll definitely be trying these. But these are, let's see, Love Bug probiotics are made using patented BioTrack technology, which is 15 times more effective than standard probiotic capsules. Visit our website for more info. Take 1 supplement per day before food for 10 days. So this one looks like it's for like weight loss because it's like, here's the skinny 10-day challenge. So I don't know if I'll be taking these because I am breastfeeding, so I'll have to do some more research to see if it's okay to take these. I don't see why it wouldn't be. It's just a probiotic, but I'm already taking probiotics, so I'll have to wait to try these. I might have my husband try these though. They also sent a travel size dry shampoo, but it's actually in my bathroom currently. I've been using it and I really like it. I will put a clip at the end of this video of it since I'm outside right now and I have the baby and I want to go like get it. This is the dry shampoo that was in my box. This is the Eva NYC Fresh Snap Dry Shampoo. But I will put a clip of it at the end of this video, but I really do like it. It works really well. So yeah. So that is my Pinch Me box. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to get your own Pinch Me box, I will leave their link down below. I loved everything that I got in my box so far, and I can't wait to try everything. And yeah, I think it's something really great. I mean, it's free. You're not losing anything. If you get it, it's free. So yeah, just check them out if you want to get some free samples. I don't know if you'll get full-size products. I'm not really entirely sure, but hey, free samples, whatever. I'm happy with either one. So yeah, just check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. I know it's a hot mess over here, but I'm a mom of 3. That's just how it goes around here. So thank you so much for watching again. I love you and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.